Hey there, Kevin, owner of K&D Auto Spa here in Shelby Township. We go over what goes into our premier ceramic coating package. First off, it takes about 1 to 2 days to complete everything, depending on the vehicle, how much polishing needs to be done. First, what we do is we go through and we do an extensive exterior detail. Clean everything up, all the wheels, all the paint, make sure it's completely decontaminated. We will do a clay afterwards to make sure there's no more contamination, any rail dust or brake dust that might be on it. We'll make sure that we have a nice clean surface for our ceramic coating. After that, we'll go through, we'll do a full machine polish on all the paint. It'll be a full one-step correction. We're looking to eliminate light scratches, swirl marks, any kind of hazing that may be on the car, any fading, we want to bring that back to better than new condition. Then after we get done polishing, we're gonna do our K&D Signature Surface Prep, which is basically going to be, we're gonna prepare the surface to accept the ceramic coating. Now when we do the surface prep, we're gonna wipe down the whole vehicle. This makes sure that there's no oils on there, there's no polish left. Then this allows the clear coat to accept the ceramic coating as it bonds with it. This gives it the most durability, the highest gloss, allow the ceramic coating to perform as it's supposed to. Now, when it comes to the ceramic coating application, we install professional grade ceramic coating with the best technology. It's the best of the best that we can get. It has the best durability, the most gloss, most easy to clean, most chemical resistant coating that we can get is what we apply here at K&D Auto Spa. When we apply the ceramic coating, we apply it to all the paint, all of your plastic trim. That'll help keep your plastic trim from fading. And if it is already a little faded, it'll restore it and bring it back to a nice satin finish to make it look like new again. And it will help protect it from fading in the future from the sun. We also apply it to all the wheel faces here. That'll make brake dust cleaning a lot easier. For all the glass, we use a dedicated ceramic coating for that. We'll put it on the windshield and all the other windows. This will help the water just run off. It'll make a smooth surface on your windshield for your windshield wipers, so you get a better clean. You want to use your windshield wipers as much. The best way to describe it would be Rain-X times 1,000. If you have any questions at all, feel free to give me a call. You can give me a call, you can text the same number, it's 586-209-4404, or a contact form on our website. We'll get back to you. You can shoot me an email at kevin@kdautospa.com, or if you want, you can come into the shop, we can shake hands, meet each other in person. I'll show you around the shop what we do, how we do it. We have a temperature controlled building so that we can make sure that our ceramic coatings are applied at the right temperatures and so that they work as they're supposed to. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, text, either way, get a hold of us. We'll be more than happy to give you all the information you need. Again, I'm Kevin, I'm the owner of K&D Auto Spa. We'd love to see you here. Thanks.